Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will help you play Rewrite the Stars on piano. First, identify the song's key, which is C major, making it accessible for beginners. Next, familiarize yourself with the main chord progression. We'll start with the verse chords, focusing on smooth transitions between them. Finally, begin practicing the right-hand melody, breaking it down into smaller, manageable sections for easier learning. For the left hand, you'll primarily use 4 chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. Practice transitioning between these chords slowly, ensuring each note is clear. Focus on a consistent rhythm, perhaps using a simple arpeggio or block chord pattern. This foundation will provide the harmonic support needed for the melody, making your playing sound full and professional. Now, let's tackle the right-hand melody. Pay close attention to the phrasing and dynamics to capture the song's emotional depth. Use proper finger placement to ensure fluidity and accuracy, especially during faster passages. Once you're comfortable with each hand separately, slowly combine them, starting with short sections. Gradually increase your tempo as your coordination improves. Consistent practice is key to mastering Rewrite the Stars. Aim for at least 15 minutes each day, focusing on specific sections that challenge you. Using a metronome will significantly improve your timing and rhythm, helping you play with precision. Remember to take short breaks to avoid fatigue and keep your mind fresh. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.